Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Sarah and this is SarPlans. So today we are going to plan Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in my Erin Condren Daily Duo. So let's see what we're working with here. Got my stickers all set up and yeah, so this week has been full of some really cool Erin Condren designs dropping. We had the Valentine's Day stuff, or Palentine's as they called it. There was an exclusive notebook. There were 2 notebooks, came as a set, one for you, one for a friend, and some really awesome covers. Check them out. Then we have Hello Kitty dropped, so that was some really great new little items. There are file folders, there are really cool pad folio. So I'm not a huge fan of the other pad folio, but this one with the little bow, eek, pretty adorable. A note cube. I don't know if there were any new covers dropped, but they whipped out a design for the pencil pouch. I think is pretty cool. It comes in the Hello Kitty design. I think there are little stars on it. You can customize the color and add your initials to it. You can't put your full name on. You get 3 letters. So that's about 20 bucks. I don't know what else there was. Just a couple things, but they really are adorable. Some great additions to the collection that already came out. I reviewed the original collection that had launched earlier this year, maybe? No, because this is 2021. It launched in 2020. So there is the original review I had in the cards in case you wanted to know what they had before. There were a lot of great covers and stuff, so definitely check that out. And if you don't already know, they have a new Black Artist Collection collaboration. They got some new stuff coming out, but they listened to us, folks. They listened to us and they added accessories. So I noticed that there were some acrylic blocks, there are some prints, there are stationery, just tons of different stuff. So I will link the new Black Artist Collection and give you as much of that information as I can down below. This is one of my favorite covers, and this is from the original Black Artist Collection that they dropped. So a bunch of the proceeds go to the artists. There are so many ways to give back with that collection. I highly suggest you check it out. I have a link below. Like I said, that is my affiliate link, which I'm oh so thankful when you use, and I will be snagging a cover or 2 as well. So just in case you aren't aware, there is another size notebook. This is another one of the Black Artist Collection covers that originally dropped, and I love this so much, but it is available in the bigger size. So there's a bigger notebook. A lot of people forget this even exists, but it is one of my favorites. I love dot grid, so that is what I use it for. I use this for taking notes for my fitness classes because everything will fit on one page, and I like to block out the areas that I struggle with. But this is another great way to snag another one of the covers. I love this one. Get over there, support. You have 2 beautiful options, and there are 2 other collections that have dropped since this original one. So get down there and get supporting. All right, so it's time. Let's plan. Now, you know, I already dropped this stuff. I have to tell you, out of all 3 of the designs of the headers, right now, this is my least favorite. I'm not entirely sure how to go with this one, but we're gonna do it. I'm gonna try to use up all the stickers I can because that's the name of the game. Using them up, guys, using them up. So this was from the Petite. This is the sampler. I got some clip art because I really did like the clip art, so I guess that will accent very well. And the mini scripts, which I love as well. So let's drop some goods in and get to work. So basically, I'm not pulling any other crazy stickers out of here because I don't want to, okay? I don't want to use too much crazy stuff. I just want to use what I have and use and do that, okay? It's the way I feel. I'm not feeling this. Guys, I'm just not. I'm sorry. All right, get it done. And one more I always put a section here for stuff I need to do next week. So my to-do list for the weekend, and it's just not a lot. It's just not. I have so much downtime during the week that I don't have a crazy to-do list. Sorry, I wish I did. I like being busy. Busy people get shit done, but sorry, it's just not in the cards. It's not in the quarantine cards. I love this washi. By the way, I do like to use it everywhere I can. So, let's see. No, I don't really have stickers for those. You know what? Let's get creative, okay? Gotta pop these out. They make me right funny. Saturday, Sunday, not much going on. No volleyball this day. I wanted to use a marker. I want to see if this one will, think it'll match. I mean, it should match a little bit, right? All right, some finishing touches and we good. So, just trying to use up all of these cutie patooties. So here we need to upload the hourly. I think we have a bill due on this day, but I did already pay it. So, is there? Yeah. We'll put it in there just to mark its significance. There was a credit. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Now this one is super done because I paid it off. I think I'm gonna cancel it too because it's a low balance. It only has a $500 limit, and it's so stupidly, it's attached to so many like auto pays that I paid it off already and didn't realize how many auto pays it was on, and it got away from me again. And I'm not down for that. All right, so let's add some of this in here. That's it. It's as good as it's gonna get. I have done all my workouts. I have pulled out all the stops, and we are good. I can chill here and get ready for my next class because I teach on Saturday morning and I need to pick it up a little bit. People have been coming for a while, so it needs to get good. How's that sound? Let's throw some weather in here. It's just gonna be cloudy. I think we can use this cutie, huh? Ta-da! All right, guys. So I tried to do a few less stickers and a little more stuff, but I picked the crappiest 2 days to do it because these are the 2 days that I have nothing to do. So it was very hard to infuse anything in there because there's nothing to do. Yeah, so, I mean, I could doodle, but there's nothing to doodle. Oh my God, I'm sorry. Yeah, I really meant to have this be better, but I have a couple factors playing against me. This is hard to work with. There's a lot going on here, and just, as you can tell, I way more appreciate the more subtle, I guess you could say. I don't know. But I tried there. Let's see. For anybody who's wondering if you can see, there's just a slight shadowing, and I think I went a little rough on those. I went hard, so I'll figure out this when I meal plan here. I think I'm gonna do meatloaf, but other than that, guys, it is wrapped up. Thank you. Thank you for coming to my channel. Listen, if you're not subscribed, I need you to get down there and subscribe. I'm on my way to my 1,000 subscribers, and I need you to help me be able to do it. So get down there and subscribe. Over half of my people are not subscribed. And if you love me and you love my channel, do me a huge favor and share my videos, okay? Send them to a friend, post them in a group. If you have people who are like, oh, I don't know what to do with Duo pages, or even when I post my hourlies or petites, share them for me. That would be really awesome if you could help me drum up some subscribers. Word of mouth is the best form of advertising, and I would greatly appreciate it if you helped me out with that. All right, guys, we have one more week of kit, okay? So one more week of kit, and then I haven't decided whether or not I want to do washi week, whether I want to do all pen, random stickers. I don't know yet, but I want you to stick around for it. And why don't you let me know? Go jump onto my Instagram and I will post a poll, okay? Washi, leftover stickers, or straight up pens and such. All right. Sound good? All right, so you know what? Comment down below as well. What do you want to see me do? Washi, leftover stickers, or pen, marker, highlighter only? It's up to you. Let me know. All right, guys. I appreciate you. You know I do. You guys are the best, absolute best. Keep commenting down there and share these videos. I appreciate you. Make good choices. Use my affiliate links. Be good people. Wash your damn hands. Wear your damn mask. Stay home if you can. Peace.